Thank you so much, Mr. Kumran. Thank you so much. It was as far as reskilling the workforce goes, I am a huge believer in that. And in fact, what I'd like to say is that necessity is the mother of all innovation and invention. And we experience something similar to that in our company. So my model, actually, my business model is wherein we do work sites where we have one-to-one and one-to-many interactions. And we primarily used to go to the client side, corporates, or these paramilitary forces, armed forces, where I was actually talking to people one-to-one or one-to-many. And it was a work site based model. When Mr. Modi announced this lockdown, it meant, and it was right in the beginning of the year, it meant, the whole year going for a toss for us. But what we saw was really that at the end of the year, we were able to overshoot our revenue targets. And that's where I say that necessity is the mother of all invention. And that's when we realized, you, how we had some mental barriers. So this actually came as this pandemic and this entire, reimagining this entire this digital ecosystem. It really came as a boom for us, as a blessing in disguise for us, because now the mental geographies that we had of, being able to cover only the Delhi NCR area, as we are placed out of Delhi NCR, or, having to fly to various locations like Bangalore or Bombay, or, wherever my customer would require me to travel, that was all gone. And suddenly we had the entire world as an open to us as a market. And there we realized that, that the webinars became more important. And that's when we decided to reskill our workforce. And I enrolled my entire company into various technological. So when, as far as I go, I am technologically zero. I'm totally challenged technologically. And when this came upon us, to learn how to conduct webinars on Zoom, uh, and then to how, you could actually shift to digital calendars, and you could actually have people blocking calendars instead of my EA taking appointments. All of that moved, and I look at it as an opportunity for everybody who is a professional like myself, and many trainers, coaches, all of this sphere, the professional sphere, that's going to change. You even see doctors today giving advice on Zoom, and it has actually changed the entire landscape for us. And I'd say that how we experienced it was, we were able to address people from outside of India. We were able to address people from all spaces of, and we also were able to connect very well, actually. In fact, the customer today is willing to commit online, which he was not earlier. So it has also changed the customer's mind frame. So therefore, reskilling becomes very important, and therefore, learning more about technology and using all these technological inventions. Like, for myself, I'll tell you, we use apps like Calendly, which will help us schedule calendars, which is also interlinked to the Zoom. Therefore, a customer can go book a meeting, and then, whereby a Zoom meeting link is sent to the customer and me. So that takes my EA away, right? It's not required for anybody to now write an email and fix an appointment. He knows that the appointment is fixed. Then we have things like Canva that we used extensively to be able to create small posters. And then, we realized by just placing ourselves in the Facebook groups of these various countries, I was able to actually target NRI audience for investments. So that's what I do for a living. We help people with investments, and reaching the most favorable investment options to the NRIs became a big market for us. And we saw that it really helped us, and so learning all of this through these apps. So some of my friends used to say, you're investing so much on your staff, by reskilling them and by getting all this training done for them. And what if they leave you and go? And what I would say to that was that, what if they stay? I don't train them, and what if they stay? So for me, I feel that constantly innovating and re-innovating, reskilling yourself, that is the way to the future. If if you do not do that, then it is going to be, you are going to be left behind in those whole you know so I personally believe that this has actually, for professionals like myself, it has become a boom. And today I do not waste my travel time in travel, even within the same Delhi NCR region. Also, if I have to conduct meetings, I am actually doing them online as opposed to offline. And therefore, what it has resulted in, if in for us, is where we could conduct barely 2 or 3 workshops in a week, to today we are doing almost 8 to 9 workshops in a week, because I could be doing these workshops in different cities on the same day. So therefore, it has really kind of helped us. And that's really what it meant for us.